mindset. Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and heart desires without giving up. And we're in our part 3 in our journey of resolution mastery, where we are talking about mindset and motivation. And in this video, I want to unpack a little bit more about what is mindset and what is so important for all of us. I do remember when I was at school, one of my favorite topics was biology. I loved that. I was engaged in the classes, in the exercises with the teachers, and they loved me about it. And even through the teachers, they asked me if I want to become a doctor. Big problem. When I see blood, I don't feel well. And for that reason, I didn't become a doctor, but I become a professional dancer, where we also have blood and tears. Sometimes we have to go through all these blood and tears in order to accomplish our performances. However, it wasn't the real blood and tears which the medicine people are using. So here we am, professional dancer. However, biology is a really important subject, especially when we are talking about the human body. And the human body is uniquely created. And the brain is this incredible, unique power which really determines where we're going, how do we live, how do we read the world, how do we see the world, and gives us the ability to learn, to read, to create, to imagine, just to think. It's like a limitless power with his brain. The question is, what is a mindset? I remember I was watching a lady, she was talking about a mindset and research she was doing with a particular group of people. And she said something really amazing. She said the mindset is what you put your mind on, what you set your mind on. Simple as that. You set your mind on stuff. And this is what is mindset. The mindset is our set of beliefs and behaviors we all have. In other words, the mindset determines what we feel, what we talk about, what we decisions taking, what actions we are taking, and the results of our life. In other words, determines everything. Our perspective of the world comes through the lenses of our mindset. For that reason, it's really important to understand the crucialness of mindset. Imagine that this is like a master key to unlock the door of your potential. For that reason, the mindset is really important. And in our training, we will be talking about 2 different mindsets. And we will helping you to build the mindset that will really help you to achieve your goals and heart desires. It will be a mindset that will not be afraid of challenges, but we will take them as an opportunity for growth. It will not halt on them fallbacks, but will be like using them as a stepping stone to continue in life. All the failures, they will be like a feedback for growth, and we will step on them and you will continue in our journey. It is possible to grow your mind, to change your attitudes, and to have different results in your life. Everything starts with him, with this space between our ears. It is possible? Yes, I do believe if it is possible. So in our journey, this is what we'll be exploring. Before we go into the deeper part of our mindset, we will talk a little bit also about motivation. What is motivation? What is important for us? And I'll share with you in the next video. Thank you for your time. See you soon. Bye.